Okay, so Madhusudan, tell me what do you understand by Clubhouse? About anything you know about Clubhouse?
Yes, sir. I have heard about, but I have not used. Clubhouse means it is an uh, app like a WhatsApp only messenger, in which we can create rooms and all such things and some more stuff, and we can communicate using voice calls. Only voice calls, I think, sir.
Okay. You can communicate with?
So voice calls, voice call.
Okay, have you used Clubhouse till now?
No, sir.
So which social media app do you use?
Sir, what's it?
Now, which social media app do you use?
Sir, mostly WhatsApp, Discord, and sometimes Twitter, sir.
Okay. Yeah, everyone is joining now. Good. Hello Naman, hello Inder. Good evening.
Hi Ritro, how
Yo,
are
bro,
you?
what's up?
Good, all fine. So today's topic is Clubhouse. You might know. Okay,
Maybe
Inder.
Yeah,
So tell me, what do you know about Clubhouse in brief?
okay. First time I read about Clubhouse in newspaper, like they were populating and kind of. And later I just yesterday I asked Naman to I would like to learn English better, so he suggested me to join Clubhouse, and I joined Clubhouse yesterday night. It was like great experience. This is really great thing.
With
And
whom did you
even
join?
now, before joining the session, I don't know the name. Even I am right now in a group and in a home that is named the networking room. Come with your give and ask.
yo, Arithro, I recommended him actually in that because he wanted to
Exactly.
improve his language speaking skills. That's why I told him to join Clubhouse. Because most of the people are stereotypes and they will only speak English instead of Hindi. That's why. We are not Chinese, eh?
Yeah. This is a really great experience. I love
Okay,
that.
so was that related to today's news that in Young Entrepreneurs Net you joined today, I guess, and there Atul sir
Yeah, yeah.
said that you had a great speaking. So what was that actually?
That is a smart book. On that basis, like he
His startup,
invited me.
Arithro, his startup.
Startup.
Yeah. So no, what did India do that made him so popular?
We can discuss this after we have stopped the recording. I think the recording is on,
Yeah,
right?
Okay,
We
okay,
are
no issue.
exactly.
diverting from the topic. Yeah.
Okay, so
So,
Naman,
Arithro,
tell me,
what do you think about Clubhouse, Arithro?
Clubhouse. I have joined once in Clubhouse with I guess with you and Vasalam in a meeting, and it's an in audio app because you see there are many social media apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and one of the thing that is missing in all those apps is that audio part. That is the specialty or that is the gap that Clubhouse is fulfilling. That I can say.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, yeah, say.
Sir,
Who
even
said
you
sir
can
here?
find voice call in WhatsApp
Who
also.
said sir?
Are
Madhusudan, you
Madhusudan.
can.
He is in class
Madhusudan,
9.
don't say sir.
Sir,
Okay, no problem, but don't say sir. You can say like Arithro,
No, no, he
G
can
or
say
like
whatever he wants
other.
to. Let him say.
Don't say sir. It's not a formal thing right now, what we're doing. Don't say sir.
sir, but without any formal, I can't recall.
Okay, Madhusudan, say what he wanted to say.
Means you said that in a clubhouse audio call like that is there. In WhatsApp also we have both audio and video. Uh, why you said that it is very means
Aritra, I would like to answer this question.
Yeah, answer.
Madhusudan, in
yes, sir.
actually WhatsApp, we have to like call someone. We have his number, right? And we
Yes,
have
sir.
to, yeah, we have to press the call button. Then it will connect to that person only. Otherwise, we have to make a group. But in
Yes, sir.
Clubhouse, the main difference is they like so many people are already on a call and you joining their conference. It's kind of, suppose you are going in some meeting room, get it?
Yes, sir.
It's like all so many calls are there, you can join anyone's call, anyone's meeting. So just download the Clubhouse app, it will like help you, you can join that, you will
Okay,
get
sir.
experience. Yeah.
Sir, is web app also available, sir? Clubhouse?
Maybe I guess like Naman can say better. Naman, is there any available web application
Oh
like
no,
without?
what web app? Only it's available on Play Store and Android, means iOS and Android. No web app
Okay,
sort
so
of thing.
okay, so
I
only
think they are
application you have
going
to
to
download
launch.
it.
I have spoken to its founder. They said that they are going to launch something web app, but that is too far right now. So
Yeah.
only Android and iOS. Obviously, you have to be invited by someone to join that. It's not like you can just sign up in the clubhouse right now. So you have to get invited by someone. It's like an exclusive club, sort of like that. So you have to get invited to get in that social media.
Oh,
So
yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Madhusudan is in grade 9. He doesn't seem like that.
so how do you invite
Yeah.
someone in Clubhouse? Yeah,
You don't
Naman.
know Aritu. You don't know
I
Aritu. You don't
haven't
know.
invited anyone till now. I
Just
have
go
just
on the
joined.
invite section. If you have any invites left, just invite the person using the phone number. Finish.
Invite. How many invite can a person have?
It depends upon who we are. If you have more than 100 followers, you can invite 8 to 10 people. I think in 2 weeks or
No,
3 weeks.
let's say if the person has just joined Clubhouse, has just opened his Clubhouse account, so can he have any kind of invites?
Yeah, he has 2 invites.
So how can I invite the other person? I mean, can you explain in process? How can I invite another person to join Clubhouse?
It's not a process actually. It's very simple.
Whatever it
Even a
is.
layman can understand what is it. You
Okay,
don't
please
have
let
to.
me understand.
So I guess Orithur is a layman. So if you just click on the invite button up, you will see that there's a panel where all the toggles are there. So you will see an envelope shaped icon. Just click on that, and then you will see that you have invites. It will show you how many invites you have left, and just add the person's contact name or the phone number, and just a message will be sent that he has been invited and he can register. Finish.
Okay, so Naman, you said that you have talked to the founder of Clubhouse. You just said. So you see, in that case, what I believe is that in Clubhouse, anybody can talk with anyone because in Clubhouse events,
No,
let's
no,
say
no.
I
It's not
can.
like that. Anybody can talk with anyone. It's basis on the host. Okay. So it's just like you just think like Clubhouse is just another Zoom, but on steroids. All right. So it's a social media based on these Zoom, Google Meet. But obviously there is no video feature on that. But there are kind of rooms like we have breakout rooms in the Zoom. So there are kind of rooms where meetings take place, and it is on the discretion of the host that you can get invited as a speaker, or you will be staying as an audience, or you can become a follow-up speaker. That means you are in the line to speak. After somebody has finished, you will be up on the stage. It's like that. All right. So
Hmm.
Rohan Seth is one of the Indian origin entrepreneurs and one of the founders of Clubhouse.
Yeah, yeah.
So obviously he graduated from Stanford, and after that he has some uh, uh, great ventures he has founded on, and then after that he started Clubhouse. Obviously it's more than, I think Clubhouse is valued at more than $1.5 billion. So
And
yeah.
it was within 1 year only.
Yeah, so now I think it's not like that. So this is very common nowadays, being valued over 1 million. Valuation is a different thing. Revenue generation and those kinds of things is different thing. So if you have little bit knowledge about finance, about valuation, how it works, you know what I'm talking.
Yeah. Okay, so Naman, in Clubhouse, can let's say can I talk with Elon Musk, or I'm just saying, or Mark Zuckerberg.
If he is, but mostly those people are actually, you know, most people are like, there'll be around 10,000, 2,000 people who are listening. And so if you want to get up there, you have to be early on, or you have to be a successful person if you want to get on stage with those. Otherwise, either you join them early, you follow them strictly, or if you get an opportunity that there are only five, six people and they have just hosted the room, you have to join early. And then you can get a chance to speak with them. But if you don't, uh, because the rooms fill very fast, and then you get restricted, I think. So those are like 1,000, 2,000 people are there. So yeah, you
Okay,
can
so
understand.
in that case, do you think that there is a lack of boundary? Because you see, if any normal person can talk to a celebrity in Clubhouse, so do you think there is a lack of boundary in that app?
Boundary, I don't know
Boundary
about.
means you see in other app you cannot suddenly reach a celebrity or talk with or chat with a celebrity, but in Clubhouse, even a normal middle class person can even talk with a rich person or let's say Mukesh Ambani. So don't you think there is a boundary, a lack of boundary
It's
in that
not called
app?
boundary, it's called access. It's called a good access to the people. And this is what social media should be, that you can access anyone anywhere, anytime, right? So this is the main foundings of the social media. I know that social media is now big, filthy giants just, taking over those political and those things, changing the mindset of the people, learning things. And yeah, social media is bad. It's an industry that people don't understand. And uh, India is a socialist country. We have forgotten how to create wealth. Rather, we go for likes and comments. Even if we are celebrity, and even if we are bankrupt, we are good. We are in a very good social standing here in India. So yeah, people's mindset is there, and you know what's
It can
happening
also
with
lead to
Twitter.
spam. Too much connection
So
can lead to spam also.
no, so you know what's happening in India right now. Twitter has been, the intermediary status has been revoked, and because they did not comply with the Indian laws. So yeah, obviously these social media they try to play with the government. So that is very bad. They should behave as a companies, but they do not. They should not elevate as like a decision maker for a country, right? So this is happening right now. But these kinds of startups, these are very innovative startups. They don't fetch on data because in audio you can't do anything, right? You can't sell ads just because you are recording an audio. I think that's a good point. And but I think it would be very creative, and let's see how Clubhouse tries to monetize it. Okay, in
Sir,
the future.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you said now that sir, Twitter is not obeying the rules and all that. Sir,
Hmm.
if the same rules is applied to the clubhouse, will it obey, sir?
See, the thing is, you have to see which type of social media is it. Well, Google doesn't require it because Google is not a purely social media. If Clubhouse is there, Clubhouse should be, a little bit more liable to rely because it is kind of a social media. But right now they haven't monetized it, or they do not have those things which big media tech companies have. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
they try to do that. They are seeing on the basis, if they are trying to monetize it, then only Indian government will try to come and act in play, because obviously they are earning revenues from there. And I think if you say about Clubhouse, I don't think so it requires a compliance officer, since Clubhouse is not like a social media. You are on live. If you're there is no such thing kind of recording. Okay. So there is no storage or something like that. So if you are speaking, you are just speaking. You are speaking just like a mouth of words, just like we have a call or something. So I
Yeah.
don't think so Clubhouse will require those legal statuses, because it's a very different kind of Facebook and all. So the data, the thing which we are discussing, it will never be stored in Clubhouse. All right. But in Facebook and anything, if you publish a photo, it will be stored and people will get attention. Clubhouse
Yes,
is
sir.
just like a one shot, but in Facebook, it will go on, have likes and likes, but it will stay there until and unless you take an action to delete it, right? So
Yes, sir.
Clubhouse is a little bit different, but I don't think so that it requires a compliance officer. But if you say about Twitter and Facebook, yeah, they require that because uh, suppose if anybody is harassed or if there is a thing called fake news right now, which we have seen, there's a surge during the COVID crisis about the
Yes, sir.
fake
Yes.
news. So yeah, uh, that is why it is very much required.
Sir, and another question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir
Yeah, say.
means, suppose if you invite a person in a Zoom, then you can watch that person. Means suppose if that person
Mm.
is only watching or is that person is only hearing, you can confirm.
Mm.
But how can you confirm in that clubhouse, sir, that this person is only watching as there is no video?
Because there is no permission required for camera, because there is no such thing for video. Only there is audio. There is
No, no,
no
no,
such thing
sir.
even.
No, sir. My
No.
question is that you are inviting me.
Yeah.
Means in the place of me,
Mm.
anyone outsider comes and attends. Then how can you know that he has
So
attended?
it will show below the icon. See, there are three kinds of rooms. There is one closed room. So if you are like a private chat or something which we consider in Facebook, so if I and you are chatting, we can start a closed room. If you want to go public, we can go public, so anybody can join and attend. So it is
Yeah.
upon the host. Suppose Auditro is the, I don't think so. Auditro is host. Preeti is the host. So Preeti can mute me, mute anyone. He She can remove any person if talking illegitimately or anything rubbish he's talking about. So it's like a host system, just like Zoom.
Yes.
So if those who have created the room can remove the person, and you can see the faces, not faces, but just like what we are seeing, like Divyang developer, your profile picture I can
Yes, sir.
see,
Yes, sir.
right? So those people and what are you doing? So it's like a system like that. So there are three kinds of room. One you can start with friends. One you can start with, you know, uh, 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 with 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 a private person, anyone, any two-person or three-person can join, and one you can start with the public. Yeah, so it's like that. Experience Clubhouse, and you will get to know what is it.
One is
Okay.
friend, one is private, and another
Public. Anybody can join.
pub- public. Friend can also be public.
No, no, no. Friend means those who follow you and those who are the followers. Okay, those who follow you
Hmm.
can only join the thing. Yeah.
So in India, is it popular clubhouse right now?
Yeah, it's popular. So Madhusudan, what do you do?
So means,
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I would like to know more about.
yes, sir. At present, I am studying ninth class and I am from JNV Tumkur.
Okay.
And I am working for a model called Divyang Developer. I am creating it.
What do you do in Divyang developer?
Yes, sir. Suppose there will be a feeling with a person, means differently able people will be there. Suppose if he see a child playing with the remote control car, then he also feels like playing with that. Here, what I have used is voice controlled wheelchair. I have prepared. Wheelchair means somewhat like car. In a remote control car, you are controlling with remote, and here you are controlling with the voice. Means the person who is not having hands or legs cannot walk or cannot handle the remote. So through voice he can handle, no sir. So this was an idea for Tai Ketan, sir. I have been selected it, and further I am refining it, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great to see a progress, especially ninth standard. Obviously, I had those kinds of ideas different, not your same idea, but I had different kinds of idea when I was in ninth standard, but I did not had that potential to go further. But yeah, kudos to you. Keep the good work
Yes, sir.
and always be confident. Never fear for anyone.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your suggestion.
Okay, Naman. So you see, Clubhouse actually started in 2019, at the end of 2019. So within 1 year, how do you think they grew so rapidly, become so popular within 1 year only? It is now valued in millions.
Sir, is Aditra
And
sir audible, sir? Sorry.
yeah, am I audible?
Madhusudan.
Yeah, you
Yes,
got
sir. I will ask
disconnected.
you later.
But I could not get your question,
Yeah,
Madhusudan.
so my question was, you see, Clubhouse was
I
actually
was
launched.
asking Madhusudan.
Yeah,
I was asking Madhusudan. He was asking some question to me. Yeah. Madhusudan, what you were asking?
Yeah, sir. So my question was that in many places I can see people who are not liking to learn the coding and the IoT and some stuff like that. So why do you think they are so afraid of that?
People don't like coding. People don't like IoT. You are saying like that. You are asking like why don't people like IoT? Why don't people
Yes, sir.
like
Yes.
tech?
Yes, sir.
I think the thing is if you see about the culture of India, it's very different culture. We don't embrace capitalism here. We embrace socialism here. So it is that thing that people have some fear, or they are like they don't think about the future. They think about they are a little bit backward, I would say. So they want to follow the same processes what their grandfather, great grandfather did. So they are very much fearful about that future can be different. Yeah, because and sometimes the jobs can be there because most of the jobs get disrupted. Obviously
Yes.
new jobs are created. So suppose if you were a if you entry data on files and folders, now it has been replaced by computer. Obviously a new job has been created, but somebody has lost his job previously. So it is because they have a fear of upskillment, right?
Yes, sir.
Upskillment
Yes, sir.
means that they don't want to upgrade their skills as the industry changes. Okay, they want
Uh,
to get fixated into what they are doing. So it's like कि भाई मेरा अब ये काम है, मैं इतना से इतना काम करूंगा और मैं बस खाऊंगा भात दाल और मैं सो जाऊंगा. उसके बाद में कल सुबह उठ के फिर वापस काम करूंगा उतना ही जितना मेरे को बोला गया है. इतना से इतना टाइम, सपोज मेरे को 9 से 5 काम करूंगा, मैं 9 से 5 काम करूंगा, भात दाल खाऊंगा, सो जाऊंगा. So these kind of people cannot sustain in the industry for much longer because industry is changing very much faster pace compared to the previous years,
yes,
right?
sir. Yes. Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
yeah, how many like in 2002 when I was born and going further, so we had those Nokia phones. Who wondered like we used who we would have a touch screen phone with such interesting features in 2021. I also did not knew that this will be the future, but
Yes,
indeed
sir.
you see how the generation has changed. Who knew that education system will be disrupted and will be people teachers will be teaching on mobile phones. Rather in my school days mobile phones were restricted in our school and we were not supposed to carry mobile phones,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
I
sir.
think right now also nobody is supposed to carry their mobile phone to school, but now see the irony, people are teaching on mobile phones, right?
Yes, sir.
So we don't know, but you have to upskill yourself. And the second thing is the mindset of the people. Egoistic mindset is not applicable in the industry. It has not been tolerated in the industry, especially in the Indian industry. So if you are egoistic enough, that means if you are filled with pride, obviously pride is good because it gives you confidence, but overconfidence can kill you. So
pride is
don't
good,
go with
but
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
satisfaction is not actually.
no. Satisfaction is different thing. Okay. So people who want to become rich, they want to become rich. They had the motivation to become rich. They want because they want that satisfaction at that level, right? So pride is good. It gives you confidence, but more pride is not good. It's dangerous because it provokes overconfidence. Okay, ego is also not good because you cannot see what other people are seeing compared to you. So you will have a fixated mindset. If you are egoistic, so you will not see what the future is, because you're not seeing in the lens of the people's view. You are seeing it in your opinions view, right? So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to see what people are seeing.
But here I want to add something. You say that we have to see in the eyes of other people, but different people have different opinion, right? Not every people see through the same lens.
Yeah,
Their
that's why
viewpoint are
I'm
different.
saying. That's why
So
I'm
in that
saying
case, what would you do? Would you follow
that the
everyone?
people. That's what I'm saying. The people are different. It's not about following everyone. It's seeing that what are the other choices that can be more, right than me. So it's like you are finding a very good version of your mindset. Okay, so you will have one thing, but somebody can also think like that, which can earn. Suppose in your company you have some operations problem. You are thinking like we can solve like this. We can solve from A to Z. But now another person told us that we can jump from A to, we can suppose, let's take a very easy example. Suppose you want to learn ABCD alphabets from A to Z. Now what you will do? My thinking is I will learn the full thing. I will learn ABCD till Z, all the 26 alphabets, right? Now what is happening? I'm learning the all the alphabets, but when I am revising it, when I'm not seeing the my copy, and when I am saying it to my myself, I'm forgetting some words in between, some alphabets in between. Right now, one person came to me and suggested that don't do this. First, you learn first half of your alphabets, that is 13 alphabets. Revise that, and then after that you learn 13 alphabets. Then you combine. Okay, obviously it took a little bit time, but what happened was your memorization power increased because now you know all the alphabets, right? Because you divided it, you made your task little bit easier to do, and it did not seem hefty, and you have modified your working style, and it suited better to you, right? So this is what I am saying. Okay, so you have to see in others people's mindset. Okay, so a
Yes,
math
sir.
problem
Yes.
has very different a math problem has very different ways you can solve a problem. There's not only one solution. There are many different types of solutions. You can solve 1 plus 1, just calculated 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You can solve 1 plus 1 with calculus also. You can solve 1 plus 1 while taking imaginary number also. So there's so many solutions to that. But what is the right fit and what is the easiest and what is the most adaptive way for you? It is upon you. But you have to figure out, right? That is one thing which you have to. People are lazy enough in India. I agree with that. People are lazy enough. Here in the room is also some people can be lazy. Well, I am also lazy, but not like that. I do not procrastinate, but yeah, people are lazy here in India especially. And here in India, it's not like that कि भाई तुम कमा लिया पैसा हम कमा ले दोनों अच्छे. Here it's like cutthroat thing, sort of like culture. So if you earn money, the other person will get jealous and he will try to put you down. It happens here in
Yeah.
India.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if I am earning money more than Orithro, if Orithro is earning money more than me, okay, so we will try to pull down each other so that I can have that egoistic feeling. And that is very wrong because in America it doesn't happen. Okay.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a very
Win-win
capitalistic
mindset
country.
in America.
What? What do you
Win-win
say?
mindset. Win-win means
Yeah,
we
it's like
both
a
can
win-win
benefit
mindset.
each other. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. But not here in India. It's like तुमको जला डाल के
It's
फेंकेंगे
the
उस
society is to blame because from the very young childhood we are taught about competition only.
Yeah,
Competition and
societies to
competition.
pay. No, not every society is to bend. Some societies like Jain, Marwadis, and all those who like have a history, long history with trade and business, they try to prosper because they know what the things are. Not they have in the genes. But those who did not have that business or trade legacy, okay, so those communities they tend to suffer a lot. So it's that, and this chain has to be broken, and because of the mindset till now what we have, we cannot break the chain. It is upon the younger generation to break this chain, right? So yeah.
Okay, Naman. So, do you really believe in win-win mindset?
Yeah, we can start off the recording, I think 10:38.
Okay, sure, sure.